All right, so you're hearing all this buzz about Vultisig, right?
Yeah, tons of hype, especially at Binance Blockchain Week in Dubai.
We figured it's time for a deep dive.
Definitely. People want to know, what is this thing?
Exactly. What is Vultisig?
They're saying they've got this crypto wallet.
This crazy secure wallet.
Yeah, so secure, it doesn't even have private keys.
Wild, right?
Totally. And then there's this $10 million airdrop they're doing.
Which we'll get to later.
For sure, we'll break it down.
But first, gotta understand what Vultisig even is.
Right, back to basics. What are they all about?
So it's a self-custody wallet,
Multi-chain too.
DeFi, all that good stuff.
But, and this is key, built on Thorchain tech.
That's what's got people excited.
Thorchain's got a great track record.
Super secure, millions of dollars protected.
So that gives Vultisig instant credibility.
People are like, okay, maybe this is legit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Especially in crypto, security is everything.
You got that right. But here's the thing.
What's that?
Vultisig isn't just for the hardcore crypto folks.
Oh, interesting. So who are they going after then?
Everyone. They're trying to build a wallet that anyone can use.
Ambitious. So are they targeting different types of users?
Oh yeah, big time. They're talking about crypto natives, whales, funds, DAOs, even treasuries.
Wow, the whole spectrum.
Seriously. Like imagine if you're a crypto native.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
You got all these different coins, tokens, whatever.
Spread across multiple wallets, probably.
Nightmare to manage.
Total pain.
Vultisig is like, nope, we got you.
So it's an all-in-one kind of deal.
Exactly. Manage everything from one place.
Trading, lending, all within the Vultisig ecosystem.
You got it. And they're even hooking up with a Swiss bank.
Wait, what? A bank?
Yeah, for fiat transactions. Seamless integration.
That's pretty slick.
Right. But then let's talk about the whales.
Those holding massive amounts of crypto.
Those guys, they're all about security, obviously.
Well, makes sense. They got the most to lose.
Exactly. And Vultisig knows that.
So what are they offering to address that?
Secure vaults designed specifically for big-time holders.
Like Fort Knox level security.
Pretty much. But they're not stopping there.
They're going after funds and DAOs, too.
You know it. They're saying, hey, why use those old-school custody institutions?
When you could have Vultisig.
Which is open source, fully audited.
And built on that Thorchain tech we talked about.
That's the key, right? Proven security. Plus, there's this feature, remote co-signing.
Okay, now that's interesting.
So multiple people can access a fund, but from anywhere in the world.
But still maintain that self-custody aspect.
Yep. It's a big deal for these organizations. And you know what else is cool?
Hit me with it.
The Thorchain is already using Vultisig.
No way, seriously.
Yeah, like all those millions they're protecting.
Secured with Vultisig tech.
That's what you're saying. So it's not just talk, it's actually being used.
Okay, now I see why there's so much buzz. But let's dig into this no private keys thing.
Right, because how does that even work?
It's all about this vault share system they've got.
Sounds complicated.
It's actually pretty clever. So instead of generating a single private key...
Which can be lost or stolen, right?
Exactly. Vultisig creates these shares of the key.
Shares, like pieces of the key.
Exactly. And each device you use with Vultisig creates a share.
So your phone has a share, your computer has a share.
And maybe your tablet has one too.
Okay, I'm kind of getting it.
So to access your funds, you need to combine multiple shares.
Like a digital puzzle.
Perfect analogy. You need all the pieces to complete the picture.
So even if someone gets hold of one share...
They can't do anything with it.
Because they don't have all the pieces of the puzzle.
Makes it way harder for hackers to steal your crypto.
That's pretty genius, actually.
It's called threshold cryptography.
Sounds fancy.
Basically, you set a threshold like 3 out of 5 shares.
And you need at least 3 shares to access your funds.
Exactly. Huge security upgrade compared to traditional private keys.
Okay, I'm sold. But are people actually using this thing?
Well, they merged with Thor Wallet a while back.
Smart move. Piggybacking on their success.
Right. And since then, they've seen some impressive growth.
Give me the numbers.
Over 100,000 downloads.
Not bad.
And about 20,000 monthly active users.
That's solid for a relatively new player.
Definitely. They're also making a big splash at Binance Blockchain Week.
Sharing a booth with Thorchain, right?
Yep, and they're hosting a breakout session too.
Definitely seems like they're one to watch.
Absolutely. And don't forget that $10 million airdrop.
Ah, yes, the free crypto.
It's more than just that, though.
Okay, explain.
It's about Vultisig investing in its community.
Rewarding early adopters.
Exactly. It's like they're saying, hey, thanks for believing in us.
So how does it work?
They're spreading $10 million over 12 months.
And you get some of that just for using the wallet.
Well, for depositing assets into your Vultisig vault,
So the more you use it, the more you potentially earn.
basically. So they're
Oh.
pretty sweet incentive.
So to wrap things up, what's the big takeaway here?
Vultisig is offering security, convenience, and even potential rewards.
They're definitely ticking a lot of boxes.
And it raises a bigger question.
Oh, lay it on me.
Could this vault-based system be the future of crypto security?
Like, could this be the end of private key vulnerabilities?
It's an interesting thought.
Definitely something to ponder if you're into crypto at all.
And especially if you're at Binance Blockchain Week.
Vultisig is worth checking out.
Definitely.
All right, that's our deep dive on Vultisig.
Catch you next time.
See ya.